Bambisane ekunqobeni izinkinga letikhungethe elivekati lase-Afrika kanye nekuqinisekisa ukuthuthuka kwalelivekati. Ingwenyama bephefumula esigodlweni kaLozitha ngesikhathi yemukela tincwadzi tebunxusa kulabo labanxusele live le-Republic of Ghana kanye nelive le-Republic of Angola. Buhlobo emkhathini kwelive leSwatini nemave elivekati le-Afrika buyandlondlobala buya embili futhi bunemithelela lemihle. Lokhu kufakazelwe nathi incwadi tebunxusa letemukelwe silo semhlaba esigodlweni kaLozitha. Lusiba wekucala lowethule tincwadi takhe tebunxusa kuleli kube ngulusiba wase-Republic of Ghana umhlonishwa Benjamin Anani Kwashi. Live leGhana-ke linebuhlobo lobuqinile nalobuneminyaka leminingi babakhona lobuqiniswe nativumelwano tekubambisana nekusekelana letikhona ekhathi kwalamave. Ethula tincwadi takhe tebunxusa Lusiba uvete kabanti ngetinhlelo letisabuketwa tetekuthengiselana emkhathini kwalela live neleswatini njengoba leswatini libuketa kuthengisela lela live shukela inyama kanye netibhidvo.
While we recognize the momentum of our cooperation, there is merit in enhancing and institutionalizing our relations by reviving our Permanent Joint Commission for Cooperation. Such a framework, Your Majesty, will provide structured guidance and ensure sustained, well-coordinated engagement between our two countries. Your Majesty, I am also equally mindful of the profound significance of our partnership and the meaningful opportunities it offers for our people. I therefore, Your Majesty, look forward to working in harmony with you and the good people of the Kingdom of Eswatini.
Ingwenyama ibese iyaphefumula ngesikhathi yemukela letincwadi tebunxusa taLusiba yathi livekati le-Afrika linetinkinga lelitikhungethe letifana nako ngako kumcoka kubumbana kwalela livekati ekulweni naletinkinga kanye nekusebenteni ekuthuthukiseni emave alelivekati.
The fact that Africa shares many common issues to address include issues of addressing the issues of reduction of poverty and creating employment, creating a much better societies, social welfare, and so on. We have a duty as countries of the African Union to come together and see how we could make this dream become a reality. Of course, there's been a lot of work which has been done for all the countries of Africa. The foundation has been laid for us. The only important thing now is to see how we can turn that into meaningful results. Obviously, a lot of communication and a lot of sharing of ideas, experience, and expertise is very important in this area.
Live lesibili lelethule tincwadi tebunxusa kiyo imbube emhlaba kube live le-Republic of Angola. Lowethule tincwadi tebunxusa kube ngulusiba umhlonishwa Her Excellency Jovelina Alfredo Antonio Imperial da Costa. Sekethula letincwadi tebunxusa Lusiba uthe hulumende welive le-Angola sewumeme bosomabhizinisi belive leSwatini ukuthi baye kuyawutshala timali kulela live babukete nemathuba lamanye etebhizinisi.
The government has implemented some reforms such as the creation of the single investment window that aims to facilitate and simplify private investment process through the Private Investment and Export Promotion Agency of Angola, making the foreign investment easier and faster in Angola. In this favorable panorama, we invite entrepreneurs from the Kingdom of Eswatini to travel to Angola to invest and explore business opportunities in various sectors.
Ingwenyama yemukele simemo selivele Angola lesimema eMaswati ukuthi avakashele lela live aphindze futhi ayeke uthungatha emathuba ebhizinisi.
The strategy of SADC is that even though the African Union is a much bigger structure, but the most important thing is to start from somewhere and start at regional groupings. Then thereafter, we are going to grow until we reach the whole African Union. That is the ultimate goal. But it's very important that our regional groupings becomes much better and much more well organized. And we take note of the transformation which your country has improved in a number of laws which will allow development on both countries to prevail.
Inhloso lenkulu yenhlangano yemave ebunye ase-Afrika kusebentela ngephansi kwemgomo wayo inhlangano wekubumbana kwaleli vekati kubambisana nekubambana kwemave nebantfu bawo lamave. Etindzabeni kubika Pholile Maziya anazweli masuku esigodlweni kaLozitha.